Have you ever seen a photograph that appears to come to life? Images that exist somewhere in that magical space between still photography and live video. Sometimes it takes you by surprise. You might be looking at an impressive photo and some subtle movement just catches your eye. The whole image doesn't move, just a bit. Just enough to show that the image is something more than a simple photograph. This is a cinemagraph. I'll show you exactly how to create these animated wonders in Photoshop. We'll start with a simple video clip where we isolate a single movement and cause it to loop seamlessly. Then we pull a naturally repetitive movement from elsewhere in the video and show how to include that in our cinemagraph. We'll talk about the export process for creating these files and discuss the limitations of the medium. We'll also delve into how to work with frame-by-frame animation in Photoshop. When you finish this course, you will have all the skills you need to create your very own dramatic, magical cinemagraphs.